First of all, I'm just amazed to know that this kind of talent exists in small tire cities. And first of all, congratulations for winning your title in each of your cities. Boys, you were commendable. Your confidence is really alarming. Girls, you are very, very charming, very beautiful. And it was quite a task to walk in this space. We shall take Mark to task for this, but we're not judging you on that. So we're judging on your confidence, and you had the flair. I would just say that I'm just very, very pleased. I didn't know what I was getting into. You know, when Mark called me and says, listen, I'm doing this event. Yes, I'll do it, Mark. Because I love him for what he has made me and for the opportunity he's given me. But I'm pleasantly surprised. I said yes. मैं honestly बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे नहीं पता था, मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि ये कितने गहराई में जाकर किस तरह से मेहनत करके they have really chartified and filtered and got the best people here, because the way that boys spoke so confidently, some of the biggest pageants I've been to and judged, I have not found this kind of talent. It speaks so well. Yes or no? So I really feel the boys and girls, Abhishek and Mark and their team in their respective categories have done a great job. And I think in today's field, it's very important to be an all-rounder. And he's very right. Mark is very sensible in choosing something which is where he's combined Anupam Sir's Acting Institute, which is the premier institute for acting, to launch your career into the film world. And you know, today's actors are also 50% have to be good dancers, because the industry demands that they are physically very active. And even the acting, even the fighting scenes are like dancing scenes. It's very well choreographed. So a major part of the film industry or the television industry rides on the fact that you're really flexible, agile, and can dance well. So the vision that you have, Mark, I mean, really, I genuinely was going to come back and tell you this, I'm saying this on the mic. It's really commendable that you have combined, you know, a great person like Mikhail and his institute, where I know many years before I also used to teach at his institute, and it was really amazing with what passion he does it. And it's amazing how what life has given to him, he's giving it back, so it's going full circle, and it's exactly my philosophy. So I'm very happy to give any one of you, which I don't know which one to give one of this scholarship to, but I'm going to be a little bit generous today, and I'm going to say that I find a lot of passion in all of you. So I know my manager and my team is going to really scream at me at this, but I would like to offer each of you to come and join the course.
Wow. All of them are extremely well done.
I have got 2 certificates, but I think you all are very passionate, very deserving, and if you have the passion, the grit to make it in this industry, let me tell you, you need body language and to be absolutely confident, and dance will definitely help you. So the 3-month diploma course is going to really push you up in a certain way. So all of you are welcome. Take it seriously. Just because it's free, do not abuse it. Really use it as your stepping board. Same for Anupam Sir. I don't know how he's going to respond to that, but I'm feeling very generous today. And you're very welcome, all of you. So thank you. You've really deserved it, because I really see that you have the drive. The way you spoke with what passion and conviction, it makes me feel also passionate. It takes me back to the years when I was like this, and I somehow identify with that energy. And again, sir, thank you for creating this platform. I was unaware. I'll be very genuine, very honest person. I'll tell you, I was unaware of what I was getting into, but I'm very happy, and I will continue to have this association with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. And मेरे दोस्तों, सलाम.
Please do a great job. We'd like to give everybody a certificate of participation from Max. All right, so
Yep.
Maher
you, Mark. First of all, I must say that I participated in this event because of you. Because Mark has very brilliantly expressed what he feels about Terence and me. But I think it's your hard work over the last so many years which has built your brand, and nobody else can do this kind of a job better than you. So that's why my association,
Thank you,
Schools
sir.
Association with you. I personally feel that India lives in smaller cities. The talent that is coming in the last 5, 10, 7 years is from smaller cities, from our captain of our team, Ranchi, captain of cricket captain, the final gymnast, Olympian, who's been from the smallest town. So now I think the people from big cities are going to have a very tough competition from smaller time cities. Because I think what best thing that smaller cities do, they give you enough time to dream. When I was living in a small town, Shimla, the only thing I had was dreams. I was very bad at studies. I never got more than 38% marks. I was very bad at sports. I was telling them today that once I was in 8th or 9th standard, my PT teacher saw me running, and he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. So, I don't know how did that happen. But next time, do me a favor. I think that will make them understand, members of the press. Show the first pictures of today's superstars. Show the first pictures of Shah Rukh, of Amir, of anybody, all these people, and then we'll say what is their graph. So because they are looking now after 20 years and they're presenting themselves now immediately on stage, and I think it's very difficult to walk on that. I without heels were also not going like that. So I'm very happy that you people have reached here, and it's a very tedious task. Mark wants some rhythm. Don't worry about the next. I need a listener. So you are a very, very bad habit. What is this nonsense about giving 5, all of them, and then saying maybe Mr. Kher will also do the same thing? Mr. Kher will, I think, give all the 5 a 1-month course, not a 3-month
Wow,
course.
congratulations, wow.
That's the zeal that I saw, and I think people like you from Max, I think are doing a great service. Youth is not only about aspirations in one field. I think people look down upon certain people who want to act in movies or who want to dance. I think that finishing line, that dividing line has got over. And this is the future of India. And they are not only representatives of cinema or modeling, they are also represented our country. I always believe in that. And I think whosoever wins today, all of these people are winners, and whosoever wins has a sense of responsibility. With success comes sense of responsibility, and I think they do a great job for this country, because that's what is very important. And we have survived in this industry for, I will complete 32 years on the 25th of May.
Wow.
And 498 movies. It's because I have never let failure let me down, or I never made failure bigger than my life. Failures have happened in all this. So failure is the most exciting thing that can happen. Success is very boring and one-dimensional. Failure teaches you amazing things. So you have learned a lot. I think already you are looking nice. Means I had to also stand like this. And I don't know how you people do that, but you've never taken me for that kind of a thing. No?
I cannot teach a teacher.
You can teach him how to walk on a ramp. So congratulations to all of you, and one of you will get a diploma course in our school actor preparers, and rest 4 of you will do a one-month certificate course from our school. Thank you.
So before you go, could we, I'll take the mic from you, sir. We just, the moment we've been waiting for, we'll hurry this up because everybody needs to carry on. Our first runner-up, we have runner-up, so in case somebody can't make it, you can take a photograph. Hold your certificates up, please.